Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the exercise part of the poem Big Beyond. Understanding the poem. Complete the sentences with words and phrases from the poem. Early people wished for dash so they could fly. Wished for wings. We found planets and their moons using dash. Telescopes. The first rockets were launched in 1957. Dash was the rocket launched in 1969. Saturn V. The Earth and the Sun are in the solar system. We will need more dash in future. Need more we will need more astronaut. Read the lines and answer the questions. And in those stars across the night, they drew some creatures formed of light. What does the poet mean by creatures? The poet means creatures are the animal shapes like bears, crabs, lions, etc. that people imagine by connecting stars into constellation. Okay. Next, which creatures did they draw? They drew crab, lion, bull, and bear. Who does the poet refer to as they? Here, they refers to ancient people. Next. Then summer 1969, what a time for humankind. A rocket known as Saturn V with smoke and flames burst into life. Why was the summer of 1969 an important time for humankind? The summer of 1969 an important for humankind because at that time human first landed on the moon during the Apollo 11 mission. Okay? Next, what was special about the rocket known as Saturn V? Saturn V was the powerful rocket that launched the Apollo mission, including Apollo 11, to the moon. What does with smoke and flames burst into life mean? It means the Saturn V rocket's engines suddenly roared to life, blasting out huge clouds of smoke and bright flames as it powered up for launch. Next, craft to land to test the air, to sample soil to check what's there. Where do the crafts land? The craft lands on the Mars. Why do they need to test the air? They test the air to see if it's safe to breathe, like making sure there is enough oxygen and no bad gases that could hurt astronauts. What do the crafts do with the soil? They test the soil to check for water, rocks, germs, or chemicals. This tells scientists if the planet can support life someday. Okay? Next. This poem uses various movement words like fly, roam, and walk. Fill in the circle with the correct movement words of each type. Fly, flutter, flap, glide. Okay. Next, roam. Tiptoe, travel, wander. Next, walk, stroll, jog, march. Okay. Next, fill in the blanks with the words from the previous exercise. You may have to change the tense of some words. Okay. The butterfly dash its wings. The butterfly flaps. Don't dash around the busy fair. Don't wander. Rena saw the eagle dash effortlessly. Glide. Every morning, my brother and I dash in the park. Stroll. I dash into the room, not wanting to wake my brother up. Tiptoed. Okay. Next. The poem just read is about the history of space travel. Match the space phrases with their meanings. Watch this space. Used to show that more information about something will be given later. Breathing space. A short break taken between two activities. Stare into space. Look straight at front without seeing anything in particular. In the space of. during a period of time. A waste of space. To be completely useless. Take up space. To fill up space. Understood? For this we finished our exercise part of the poem The Big Beyond. Tomorrow we will see the 14th lesson, Earrings for Nina. Thank you.